Welcome back to Painted Kids. This is Jessica, and today we're going to be learning to draw Unikitty from the Unikitty Cartoon Network series. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, with you guys supporting us and following us, it allows us to continue to do what we do, and that's make awesome art videos for you. So the first thing we're going to do is make Unikitty's head. So we're going to make a nice rectangle. We're going to make it just a little bit longer so that way we can do the side of her head. And then we're going to make a nice triangle. So we're going to go up and slant down, and then it will just connect to the top. And for the side of it, we're just going to go straight out, and then we're going to go down and connect to the bottom. And now we're going to do the other side, and it's at a different angle, so it's going to just look a little bit differently. So we're going to go to the other side, we're going to bring it up, and then we're going to make the rectangle first. Slant it up and then bring it all the way down. So it's a nice skinny rectangle on the edge of our triangle, and then slant it down, just like this. Now we're going to do her eyebrows, so we just curve up over her ears, and then we're going to go up, over, down for the base of her horn, and then we're going to bring it up at a slight angle, and then bring it down at a slight angle for her nice unicorn horn. And then we're going to add 3 diagonal lines. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go down to her neck. Now we're going to do 2 lines right next to each other, just like so. And now we're going to do her legs. So we're going to bring it up, over, and down in a nice curve like this. Now we're going to pay attention because it's going to get a little complicated. So we're going to do 2 lines that connect. Then we're going to start at the very edge of one line, bring it up and over, and it will end in the middle of the other line. And then we're just going to do a curved line and close the end there. And then halfway, come down, and it ends halfway through the leg. And then it gives us that perspective that we need for Unikitty. And then just 2 lines on each leg. So that's 4 lines together. We're going to do her tail, so we slant a little bit behind her head, and then we come up, around and in, and then you're going to angle sharply out, and then you're just going to curve and connect, and that's how you get your Unikitty tail. So for her eyes, we just do 2 big circles. 1, and then 2. And then we're going to do another circle on the inside of each of these big circles. And then we're going to curve around for that highlight, and then curve around for the pupil. So curve and then curve around. And then a nice little W for her mouth. But we're not going to do her nose, we're just going to color in her nose. We're not going to actually draw it in. So for her eyes, we're going to give her her little eyelashes, and they're just kind of, just bring it up and kind of curve around like the end of a banana. And you just do 1 on either side, and you just curve it up and around, and then just fill it in with, you can fill it in with marker or pencil or whatever you guys are using. Just like this. There you go. So for her colors, we're going to be focused mostly on a lot of pink. She has blue and yellow and some green as well. So for her neck, it's kind of like this lime green kind of color. And then for her face, half of her face is this nice light pink color. And then for the second half of her face, it's a little bit darker pink. So you kind of start with this blush pink, and then you get a little darker, and then her ears are going to be an even darker pink. And then her tail is blue and white. Her front leg is also going to be blue and white. And then her horn will also be a nice blue color. And then that back leg will be a yellow color. And then her eyes are also going to be blue. So if you guys like this video, then go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more fun videos like this, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, we post every week for you. And if you guys want to show off any of your at-home creations, head on over to any of our social media platforms, and you can show off your great work. And we'll have those links in the description below. So now I'm filling in her pupils here. So I have her dark pink ears, her blue horn, her blue foot, and the back yellow foot. And then I'm going to give her these cute little rosy cheeks, and I'm just using that same pink color that I used earlier, and that'll be her nose. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.